Alright guys, as you can see, man, got it papered up, got it taped up, been doing a little prepping on her, got some primer done, just been sitting out here working on her a little bit all day, trying to go ahead and get ready so we can go ahead and shoot her. I should have had it done, but neighbors still outside and I don't want to create too much overspray while they out there. You know, they getting mad, call the police or something, I don't know. But this ain't the first time I've painted up under here, but you know, just kind of want to respect them a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, we're about to get ready to spray it, man. About to get ready to paint her. Quick little scuff and shoot. Nothing really major, you know what I'm saying? Didn't really fix too much stuff on it. Like I said, just kind of left it as is, just a little scuff and shoot, try to refresh it a little bit. Like I said, when I already did the interior, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all done seen that video, but I'll probably show it again later. So now we're gonna try to do a little something to the outside, so we can just go ahead and get ready to sell it and go and get off of it. I kind of figured it, you know, like I said, people weren't gonna buy or even want to look at her the way she was looking previously, so. You know, but we didn't have a lot of work done to this truck, man. I got a little money invested into it, but I think we'll turn a little profit out for it, hopefully. And go from there, you know what I'm saying? So, as you can see, got my little paint kit from Summit. It came in a couple days ago. So I'm finna get ready to open it. Got my little 30-gallon compressor. Not really what I need to paint with. Really need a little bit more for continuous air, but we ain't really tripping off that tonight. We're gonna do the best we can with what we got. And I got my Harbor Freight little gun kit. I done had this thing for some years. Shit, been using it, just kept it clean or whatever. You see it's kind of dusty. I ain't pulled it out in a minute, but I'm finna pull it out today though. That's for sure. Definitely finna pull it out today, man. But y'all stay around, man. When I get done, I definitely tap y'all back in, bro, and let y'all see what it look like. When I pull it out or whatever and unmask it. Not gonna do the mirrors on either side because both of them are completely broken on the inside, so there's no reason to waste the paper or the tape, so, in my opinion, but, you know, so, y'all stay tuned, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna tap y'all in when we get done. Peace. All right, y'all. Got a shot. Still a little overspray floating around. You know, this ain't no boot, but I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. When I untape them, I'm gonna let it die down a little bit some more. And I got this mask on, y'all can't hear me. But I'm gonna come back and untape that bottom after I shower or whatever and close down that window before the night over with. And then in the morning, I'll unveil the rest of it and we'll show y'all what she look like, man. But appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. Y'all see it came out good. That old Harbor Freight gun really shooting. It's still shooting good too. You know what I'm saying? For it to be so old, but all you gotta do is take care of your equipment. Y'all know that. But y'all lay around, man. Thank y'all for tapping in again, bro. We'll be back in the morning, peace.
YouTube, top of the morning to y'all, man. You see here, you can see I put a cool little two-tone on it. That'll just be being extra, you know what I'm saying? I want to take the time to prep it like I needed to, so just doing something quick. But overall, man, I mean, it ain't perfect at all, but shit, she look way better than what she did. Way better. You know what I'm saying? You got the roof done. It's white. I'm cool with it. It didn't come out like I wanted to. Now I can go and cut and buff it, which I probably won't. I might throw a pinstripe on it though. Might throw a little gold pinstripe on it or something, try to match that bottom. You know what I'm saying? Just to kind of break it up a little bit, but overall, man, she through, got the door open. about to finish unmasking. Go ahead and pull off, cause I gotta get ready for a car show to go film. So y'all jump in them comments, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all like that two-tone? Or should I stay solid? One-sided color. I like the two-tone look better. But we'll check it out once I untape it and pull it out. Y'all stay tapped in. All right, guys, here she go. Out of the garage. Fresh out, taped up. Fresh under, well, untaping and fixed nothing. Probably gonna see some imperfection. It's cool. We did the job that we were supposed to do. Got some overspray, and that's fine. But it feels like a different truck. What y'all think about it? Now, of course, if I was gonna keep it, I would have fixed all the all the imperfections in it. But you know, by me deciding not to keep it and just go ahead and flip it, hey, don't get no better than this. From what it looked like, I could have sold a piece of junk. They probably would have used it as a park truck. But now it might be some potential, or somebody potential. Change the headlights out. Maybe do a new grill or just clean that one up. It's kind of broke though. As you can see, up under the bottom, rebuilt front end. It just need a front end alignment. And I think this spring on the, well, my right side, it'd probably be y'all left over this way. It need to be adjusted, but all brand new up under there. You know what I'm saying? Nice little 5.7 in here. I'm finna crank up in a minute so I can move it. I get ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Just open up. Completely clean the interior up. You know what I'm saying? She ready for somebody. You know what I'm saying? Still gotta put the door trim. Well, I mean, the door seals and, you know, like the door handle and, you know, just little odds and ends stuff put back together. And you can see I didn't do the jams either. That's the reason why I did the two-tone on it too. Guess I won't have to do the jams or whatever. But we'll clean all that up and put on the market. Probably gonna go ahead and put on the market probably tomorrow. So we can go ahead and try to offer. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all like that two-tone? I like that two-tone. I know they come factory like that, but I still like it. I probably would have did it like that either way if I had kept it or not. But y'all let me know, man. I know this is a short video, but I gotta get ready for this car show here in Jackson, Mississippi. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all hit that like, y'all hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about it. Yeah, and just holler at me, man. And watch some more of them other videos too. Go back and watch some of the old videos so you can kind of see where she came from to where she is now. Yep. Well, y'all holler at y'all, man. Peace.